everyone. So today we're going to review order of operations. This is something that we did at the very beginning of the year. This is the order that Aunt Sally, I'm recording over here.
What?
I'm recording over here.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Y'all, I'm sorry about that. My Aunt Sally had to come move into this small space with us. So she's kind of hard of hearing, and she's also very clumsy, okay? We're just going to continue, okay? All right. So the order that we are going to solve problems in, we're going to use parentheses, exponents, then multiplication and division as they appear from left to right. So if multiplication comes first, then we will solve with multiplication before division. If division comes before the multiplication, we will solve the division first, okay, from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, same thing, whichever one appears first from left to right, but that's going to be the last step. So parentheses is really any grouping, right? That could be braces, brackets. Y'all.
Is this loud?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Y'all, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I'm so sorry. Actually, that's a great way to remember the order in which we're going to solve these problems. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So let's try one out, okay? How do we know what order to solve this in? How do we know what to do first? So I'm going to start with parentheses. Are there any parentheses or grouping in this problem? No.
What? Are you talking to me?
Y'all, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so we're going to start with division, right? Because we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, we don't have any multiplication, but we do have a division right here. So 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. Okay, so we've got 8 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, then we would do addition and subtraction. In this problem, the subtraction comes before the addition. So remember, we saw from left to right, so we're going to do subtraction first. So 8 minus 4 is 4, plus 3 is going to give us a 7. Okay, all right, let's look at the next problem. Here we do have parentheses, okay, we have grouping. So we're going to start with the set of parentheses here, okay? We're going to leave the 9 alone for right now. Okay, inside of the set of parentheses, we're still going to follow order of operations. So what would come first? Let's start with the exponent. So 2 squared is going to give us 4. I'm going to rewrite everything every single time to show all of my work, okay? Then we're going to do division, right? Because we do division before we do addition, okay? So 4 divided by 2 is going to give you 2. And then we've got 4 plus 2, okay? And then 4 plus 2 is 6, okay? And then when we have parentheses with a number right outside of it, that is showing multiplication. So 9 times 6 is going to be 54. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we have 2 sets of parentheses. How do we know what to do first here?
Mandy, where's the toilet paper?
I'm recording, Aunt Sally. I am recording.
Oh, still?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, y'all. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we are going to do parentheses. Okay, we're going to solve each set of parentheses, then we're going to multiply them together, okay? So 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. 15 times 3 is 45. So 15 times 3 is going to give us 45. Good. All right, down here we have 2 times, and then in parentheses we have 2 to the 3rd power, or 2 cubed, minus 4. So 2 to the 3rd power, 2 cubed, would be 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give us 8. So we've got 8 minus 4. Okay. Okay, even though we solve multiplication before subtraction, we have to do parentheses before we can multiply. So 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. And then we've got 2 times 4, which is going to give us 8. Okay, and our last problem here, we have 10 plus 4 divided by 2. What comes first in order of operations? We don't have any parentheses. We have no exponents. We do have division, so that's what we're going to start with, okay? So 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2. Then we have 10 plus 2, which is going to be 12. Easy peasy. Okay, so I would like for you to do the worksheet that is provided in your folder. So do that, snap a picture, send it to me, and that's all. Bye.